Gayatri,
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
let's start the program.
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. According to survey report, some students find that mathematics is a complicated subject, whereas others find it an interesting subject. I'm request Mrs. B. Padmapriya to give a welcome address to welcome everyone. Am I audible?
Audible, ma.
Now start பண்ணிட்டேன் ma'am.
Start பண்ணுங்க.
Good morning, everyone. According to survey report, some students find that mathematics is a complicated subject, whereas others find it an interesting subject. Life is a math equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Here, I am to request Mrs. B. Padmapriya ma'am to give a welcome address to welcome everyone.
Very good morning to everyone. I welcome you all for this wonderful webinar on application of mathematics. On the behalf of Department of Mathematics and Statistics, it's my pleasure to invite today's resource person, Dr. M. Sundari, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics and Statistics, SRM University. I welcome our Chairman Sir, K. Loganathan, Vice Chairman Sir, Mr. L. Naveen Prasad, Director Admin, Dr. M. Prabhakaran Sir, Director Academic, Dr. V. Karunanis Sir, our beloved Principal Ma'am, Dr. V. Umadevi Ma'am, and Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. A. Maria Payas. It's my immense pleasure to introducing our resource person, Dr. M. Shanmuga. She is working as Head and Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics and Statistics in SRM University. She is highly qualified with M.Sc and M.Phil and completed Ph.D. in SRM University. She has more than 19 years of teaching experience. 3 Ph.D. research scholars doing research under her guidance. She has published various research articles in reputed national and international journals. And also, she attended a lot of conferences and workshops. She was ranked 15th in B.Sc Mathematics. Recently, she has been awarded with Best Citizen of India and Bharat Gaurav Award in 2021. Ma'am holds multiple roles and responsibility in administration and academics as examiner for Ph.D. Viva Voice exam and also panel member of Rajasthan Public Service Commission. We are grateful to Dr. M. Sundari ma'am for accepting our invitation and marking our presence here. I hope that today's webinar inspires the idea and sessions around the way that we can make our career better. Once again, I welcome you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. And here is Dr. Sundari ma'am, Head and Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics in SRM University to give us the solution. Once again, and here is Dr. Sundari ma'am, Head and Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics in SRM University to give us the solution.
Gayatri, 3 more minutes wait, ma. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
மேம் ஹலோ
மேம் கேக்குதுங்க மேம். இப்ப கேக்குது கிளியரா.
ஓ இது போட்டா கேக்கலையா அப்போ?
ஆமாங்க மேம். மேம் உங்களோட இது
ஒன் செகண்ட் நான் செக் பண்றேன்.
வீடியோ வருதான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க மேம். அப்படி
மேம் இப்ப கேக்குதா? ஹலோ மேம்.
கேக்குதுங்க மேம்.
இப்ப கேக்குதா? ஓகே.
மேம் கேக்குதுங்க மேம்.
தேங்க் யூ மேம். தேங்க் யூ so much.
மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? நான் கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாமா மேம்?
கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க மேம். ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை.
ஓகே மேம்.
Am I visible, ma'am?
Visible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Gayatri?
Yes, ma'am.
உங்களோட பிரசன்டேஷன் தான் மேம். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடுமா? அந்த லாஸ்ட் லைனை மட்டும் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி.
Okay, ma'am. Mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution. And here is Dr. Shanmuga Sundari ma'am, Head and Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics in SRM University to give us the solution.
Shall I start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the nice introduction, Gayatri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Respected principal, vice principal, faculty members, and student friends, good morning to one and all connected here. At the outset, let me thank the management, principal, vice principal for having initiated this program, and I thank Dr. Maria Pius ma'am, Head Associate Professor in the Department of Maths and Statistics in New Prince College, for having invited me as a guest speaker for this webinar on applications of mathematics. Thank you, ma'am. I hope the participants may be from math background or may not be from math background, but still I won't assume much math over here. There won't be any equations to solve or any integration to solve. So students, no worries. I don't want to give a monotone speech. It's boring, right? So before getting into the session, let's play for some time. Okay, guys, are you ready to play with me?
Yes, ma'am.
One second, shortly I will share my screen. Ma'am, can you make as a host to share my screen?
Ma'am, you carry on, ma'am. Ma'am, you carry on, ma'am.
Ma'am, make me as a host, ma'am. Otherwise, I am unable to share my screen.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, now try. Let's try it, ma'am.
No, unable to share. One second.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Students, in each slide, we have some pictures, okay? You have to connect each other and give me a single mathematical word. Can you understand what I am telling, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you connect these two pictures to give a mathematical word? What is given in the first picture?
Quantity. Quantity
Anything
of
else?
food. Quantity of food.
The next one?
Length of road.
Okay, I will show you, I will give you the answer. Please listen to me. In the first picture, some food is served, isn't it? Second one, we can able to find some way. So by connecting these two words, we will get a mathematical word survey. Can you understand? Students, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, shall we move on to the next? Why I have introduced
Utilizing the
no idea.
Timeline.
working hard.
The time, the clock is given, and right side you have a series of hands, right? So it gives you time series, mathematical word time series. In that way, you have to connect. Can you try the next one?
Okay, ma'am.
This one. What is 404 shows you? Some students are from computer science, right? Or computer applications, right? So 404
Yes, ma'am.
tell us about what?
Communication.
404. Four not four is an error, mathematical error. Or you can, actually 404 is an error page in computer science. So we will give mathematical error as an answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. You might have studied in your schooling about this. Can you guess the answer? What is? Yes, very good. Very nice. What's your name?
Avadarani.
Very good, ma. Very good. Can you try the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. There are two pictures. One is October, another one is what? Any guesses? From the October, we can take oct. Next, from the second picture, you can take tent, octant. Mathematical word, octant. Okay. Okay, guys. Shall I move on to the next?
Okay, ma'am.
Next picture. This is very simple. You can easily identify the mathematical name. Very simple question. What is given on left side, ma?
Map.
Map. Okay, very good. Second picture is.
Ink, ma'am.
So by combining these two, we will get.
Mapping.
Very good. Very nice. What's your name?
Santosh.
Santosh. Very good. Next one.
Jackfruit, cabbage.
It's cabbage.
Jackfruit, cabbage.
Is it cabbage? Yes. And what is another name for cauliflower? You may call it as gopi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Jacobi is a mathematical word. Okay. Here, this is also very easy to identify.
Watch, graph.
And the watch, what is given at the top?
Polar.
Polar
And the
graph.
second polar.
Graph.
In the graph, what are all the things you can see?
A and B.
X.
All the ordinates are available, right? So polar coordinates is the right answer. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
DVD player. Money.
Okay. Money. So how will you connect these two? Get math word. Recurrence. Record and currency. By combining these two, you will get a recurrence. Okay, guys.
Okay,
This
ma'am.
is very easy to identify. There are three pictures, okay? In the first picture, you can see some curve. Second one, some way. Last one is?
Curvature.
Very good, curvature. So that's all. We finished playing. Okay. Let us get into the topic. Today's topic. What is the topic? Applications of mathematics in real life. Okay. So what is given in this diagram?
Father playing with kid, ma'am.
What is play? What is the play?
Football.
Football. So algebra in our life, from the childhood itself, knowingly or unknowingly, we are using the concept of algebra. The concept of choosing the correct trajectory so that the ball reaches the hands of the receiver comes from the kids' knowledge of algebra. Okay. By making use of the variable like force, angle, speed, the thrower tries to find the correctness of the throw of the ball. So there is no denying that the knowledge of algebra is work behind it. Not only in the playing ball, in almost all the field of the play, the knowledge of algebra is very essential. The kitchen is also one of the places where algebra is used. It helps to find the correct quantity of ingredients to make the food in sufficient of different sizes and also good in taste. Then trigonometry. What is trigonometry, ma? Can you explain what is trigonometry? It deals with the relationship between sides and angles of a triangle, isn't it? So suppose you are standing on in front of a tallest building and want to know the height of that building. It is not possible to go to the top of the building and drop down a rope to find the height, isn't it, students? If you want to know the tallest building, it is not possible to go to the top of the building and drop a rope to find the height. So in that case, if you know the distance between the building and you and also the angle of inclination, you can able to find the height of the tall building, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
No students. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, suppose you are standing on a bridge over a river, and to find the width of the bridge, trigonometry is more appropriate. It is also used in constructing the marine ramp and to spot a location for navigation, and also used to determine the depth of algae in underwater and sonar system. Probability. What is probability gives you? The meticulous calculations can be done in determining such as the probability of winning a jackpot or lottery. Calculus. Where we use calculus and what does it actually mean? What is calculus, ma? Calculus is a Latin word. It means that a small bubble. It is named after the rocks are used for counting by the Romans. Okay. And who is the father of calculus? Sir Isaac Newton. There are two branches, integral calculus and differential calculus. Where differential calculus shows the rate of change, whereas the integral calculus gives us the total, for example, area, volume, and so on. In real life application, it is used to determine the growth in biological field, I am telling, growth and shrinkage of cells of a cancerous tumors. And also it is used in physics, particularly in quantum mechanics. It is not restricted to engineering or in medical field. It can also be used in music. Last but not the least, matrices. Where we use the concept of matrices. What is actually the matrix? The arrangement of elements in a rectangular array, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
It is almost used in all the fields. The concept of matrix is used to organize a complicated group dance. So you can use the methodology of matrices in your cultural event. In robot system, matrices are used to control the movement of a robot. Okay, now let us see some mathematical operations on matrices. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, finding inverse, transpose, determinant of a matrices with the help of Excel. Okay, guys. Today you can learn something about how to find addition manually. Take time, right? With the help of this Excel, you can immediately get the answer. For example, suppose you have a matrix like this: 1, 3, 7, 4, and 5, 2. Sorry. Five, 2, and 4. 1, 9, and 6. Okay, this can be assumed to be one matrix. Another one is 1, 0, 3. Minus 1, and then we will have 1. So there are two matrices given. Can you able to see this Excel sheet, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here there are two matrices are given, right? What is the size of these matrices?
Three cross 3 matrix.
3 by 3 matrix. There are 3 rows and 3 columns, isn't it? So for our convenience, you can take the range of this matrix And this matrix can be named as A by using this name box. For example, A. Okay. Then you press Control Shift and Enter. Once again. E. There is a name box, you know. Sorry for the inconvenience. 1 second. Okay, no issues. There are two matrices given. For your convenience, this can be assumed to be A and this one can be assumed to be B. Okay. Okay, guys. So in order to add two matrices, they should be on same sizes, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose you want to get addition, what you have to do is there is an equal to, right? Before that, once again. Okay, addition, what you have to do is equal to, okay, before that you have to select the range of it. What is the range of this addition matrix? Since A and B are 3 by 3 matrices, its addition is also 3 by 3, okay? Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you have to select this range, and upon this, second, equal to this one plus the second matrix then control shift and enter. That will give you the answer. Is it okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose you have two matrices, it is very simple to get the answer, addition. In a similar way, you can get subtraction also. What you have to do? Equals, okay? Select this one, or otherwise you can name it here, but something went wrong now. Minus, select the second matrix. Okay, then press Control, Shift and Enter simultaneously. So after this session is over, you can try this one at home. Okay, if you have laptop with you. Is it okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then multiplication. But we don't have any inbuilt function in Excel sheet for addition and subtraction of two matrices, but there is an inbuilt function for multiplication. So to get multiplication, what you have to do is, as usual, put equal to symbol, then M mult, matrix mult, okay, matrix mult of, select the first matrix, okay, comma, select the second matrix. Okay, guys. Then press Control, Shift and Enter. That will give you matrix multiplication. Is it okay? It's simple or not? Guys?
Simple, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So when the size of the matrices are too large, we can apply in Excel sheet. Okay. And when you are multiplying two matrices, you have to remember that the number of columns in the first row should equal to the number of columns in number of rows in the second matrix, isn't it? Otherwise, we are unable to multiply two things. For example, suppose you have 1, 2, 3, and another one is some 3, 4, and 5. What is the size of this matrix, ma? This can be named as C. Okay. So what is the size of this matrix?
3 cross 3.
2 plus 3.
Is it 3 cross 3?
2 cross 3.
2 cross 3. Is it possible to multiply B and C?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? The size of this matrix is 3 by 3, but the size of this matrix is 2 by 3. So we are unable. We'll check it out now. What we'll get when multiplying B and C. Okay. So equal to M mult of, you check down this matrix, comma, the second matrix. Then as usual, you have to simultaneously press Control, Shift and Enter to get the answer. What is given? The value is not correct actually. Okay, so we are unable to get multiply B and C. Error occur. Can you follow me? Okay, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So for matrix multiplication, what is the inbuilt function given in Excel? M mult. Okay, if you want, you can note it down. Next item is, suppose you want to get the determinant value of matrix. Suppose the size of that matrix is very large, we can get it immediately from with the help of this Excel sheet. For example, Suppose you want to get the determinant of matrix A, what will happen? What you have to do is put as usual equals, okay? The term, the inbuilt function is M for matrix, okay? M determ, D-E-T-E or M of. What is the matrix? You have to get the determinant value. Let us consider the matrix A, okay? So, close the bracket. Then again you press simultaneously Control Shift and Enter. That will give you the determinant of this matrix. Is it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next one is we have completed addition, subtraction, multiplication, and determinant. Okay. Let us see inverse of this matrix. We can do the calculation maximum up to 3 by 3 matrices, isn't it? Otherwise, it is very tedious. So in that case, we can make use of this Excel sheet. Okay. So here is also we have some inbuilt function called M inverse. M means again matrix. Okay. M inverse of. Of means you have to open the parenthesis, select that matrix, close the parenthesis, then simultaneously press Control Shift and Enter. That will gives you the inverse of the matrix. Can you follow me? Okay, guys? Okay. I'll ask one question. What is the formula to get A inverse, ma? Inverse of A? What is the formula to get inverse of A? Inverse of A is equal to, inverse of the matrix is equal to 1 by, yes, 1 by
Determinant into adjoint A.
determinant of A
Into adjoint A.
adjoint of A, isn't it? We already find what is determinant of that matrix A and its inverse. So can you make use of these two items? We can able to get the adjoint matrix, isn't it? A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Then what about adjoint of A? By using that formula. Students able to get my question?
Yes, ma'am.
A inverse is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, right? Then using that equation, what is adjoint of A?
A inverse into determinant of A.
A inverse into determinant of A into A inverse, isn't it? So let us calculate. And one more thing I want to tell you is the inverse is possible for only singular matrix or non-singular matrix. Students? Inverse exists only for non-singular matrix. What do you call non-singular matrix? If the determinant of A is not equal to 0, it is called non-singular matrix. If determinant of A is equal to 0, then what will happen? The A inverse value will become 1 by 0, right? Any number by 0 is infinity. So we are unable to get the inverse of that matrix. Okay. For example, let us consider another matrix called D. 1, 2. Let us take for our convenience here 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Let us name this. The matrix is D. Okay. Now, what is determinant of equal to M determ of this matrix. Control Shift and enter. What is the determinant of the matrix D? It is 0. Okay. So for this matrix, it is a singular matrix or non-singular matrix?
Singular matrix.
Singular matrix. So for singular matrix, inverse does not exist, isn't it? Let me check it again.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal to M inverse of M inverse of this matrix. Again, press Control Shift and enter. So what is given here? Error. We cannot able to find inverse function for singular matrix. Understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let us check the adjoint of the matrix A. Adjoint of A. So adjoint of A, what you have to do, as I already told you, by multiplying the determinant of the matrix A with its inverse, we will get adjoint of A, isn't it? So let us consider this one. Into multiply this with this matrix, inverse matrix. Okay, then press Control Shift and enter. That will give you adjoint of the given matrix. If you want to, you can check it manually. Okay. Okay, ma?
Okay, ma'am.
Then what is left on all operations on mathematics? Getting transpose, isn't it? These are all some basic items we have to know. Transpose. If you want to find a transpose of the matrix, we have M transpose. M transpose, open the bracket. Let us consider this one, this matrix. Close the bracket. Then press Enter, Shift and Control Shift and Enter. Once again. Equal to transpose of what is transpose of a matrix, ma? Students?
Row into column.
The columns are converted into rows and rows are
Rows are
converted
converted
into
into columns.
rows. Okay, good. So press Control Shift and Enter. That will give you the transpose of the matrix. Can you check it? Here the rows are converted into columns and columns are converted into rows, isn't it? Guys,
Yes, ma'am.
have you all enjoyed the Excel sheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you want to ask me in this
ma'am.
presentation? Okay, let us finish this session. With the mathematical code, I will conclude my words. Mathematics may not gives you how to add love or how to subtract hates, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. So you keep it in this quotation on your mind and work hard. Okay? Good luck, students.
Ma'am,
Thank you, ma'am.
good morning, ma'am. I'm Kushi Kumari.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes?
Hello, I'm Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Hello.
Yes,
Hello,
tell me,
ma'am.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, ma.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. I'm
Good
Kushi
morning.
Kumari.
Good morning.
From first year B.Sc Artificial Intelligence, new friend, Shri Bhavani, Art and Science College.
Very good.
Thank you, Lord, with your teaching. First of all, I should like from learning a lot from your speech, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma. You
Yes.
are most welcome.
Guest speaker Dr. M. Sundari ma'am, head and associate professor, Department of Mathematics and Statistics, SRM University.
Yes.
Thiru L. Loganathan sir, chairman this college. Mr. L. Naveen Prasad, vice chairman this college. Mr. M. Prabhakaran sir, from the director admin from this college. Dr. B. Karunanidhi, direct academy this college. Dr. B. Uma Devi, ma'am, principal in this college. Dr. A. Maria Pishu, vice principal, ma'am, in this college. Thanks to all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Love you guys.
Hello, ma'am.
Have you all?
I'm Maria Paez.
enjoyed?
Huh?
Yes,
Actually,
ma'am.
we are
Yes, ma'am.
waiting for a long time to conduct this program, I believe.
issues,
From
ma'am.
the
Actually,
month of
not
June
feeling well
onwards, we
today.
are waiting actually.
Yeah,
So, ma'am,
yeah.
it is quite
Sorry for
interesting
the
because most of the
inconvenience.
students answered your questions, isn't it? I never expected this because
Yes,
most
ma'am,
of them are
actually.
from non-maths group. So
Okay.
they are really
They are-
enjoying your program, I believe. That is why they are able to answer your questions, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
So
ma'am.
thank you very much. As soon as I called you and my friend told me, that you have accepted at once, she has informed this message.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
It doesn't matter, ma'am. It
Postponed the
doesn't
event.
matter. And PPT and all you had shown, the way you had started the program, were quite interesting, ma'am. So
Thank
the
you,
many
thank you.
people
Thanks,
enjoyed students enjoyed the program. Really, I never thought that so many people would answer your questions. Actually,
Yes, sir, yes, actually.
because in the class they are keeping mum only, all the time we are only showing mathematical symbols to them. Always trigonometry, matrices, and so on. You have started with the pictures, so they liked it very much, ma'am. In
Thank
future also, we will be calling you, ma'am, again for
Sure,
many
ma'am.
programs.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you
I'm
all.
waiting.
Thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Shall I wind up, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
guys. Good luck.
Thank
Good
you,
luck.
ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Students fill the feedback link and then left.
Thank you,
Whether this event is recorded, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. We have taken it in YouTube.
Okay.
I'll send you the YouTube link, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all students for participating.
Yes, ma'am.
Wind up, ma'am. Last line மட்டும் சொல்லிட்டு முடிச்சிடாங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
பத்மா லிங்க் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டியாம்மா? அனுப்பிச்சிட்டேன்.
And now I request, now to give a sweet ending, I request Kushi Kumari from BCom CS AI to give a word of thanks.
She has already given, ma'am.
Okay. Leave the meeting. Everyone leave the meeting. Thanks for your coordination.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait! Did you download Grant?
Yep. Cool. Again, welcome to the third day of the workshop. Today we'll be at how we'll structure our project as and when it progresses.